Yes, that is correct. 1,502 miles on a 2012 V-Rod Muscle. This is probably the last one anybody will ever see with this low mileage outside a museum. Of course, they don't make them anymore. This one is in very good condition. There are a few imperfections. I'm not saying it's showroom perfect, but it's for what it is, it's pretty amazing. It only has 1,500 miles on it. There's a few imperfections in the paint. You can see right there. It's the black denim. There's some scratches on the one front turn signal mirror thing. But still, we kept this because it was such a nice bike. V-rods are hard to come by. It must have bumped into something here. It's scratched up pretty good. Full disclosure. But I tell you what, this is a really nice looking V-Rod. It's got the Vance & Hines pipe, 2-into-1. It's got the V-Rod 10 years cover on the clutch disengage plate. It's a really nice bike. And I know we're always getting requests for V-Rods, so this it definitely won't be here for very long, especially if somebody wants one that never had one. This is like getting a fairly new one. So come on in and check it out.